Let's see how we can install Postman on Windows 11. First, go to Google and type get Postman and click on this first result. Now you are in the home page of postman.com. From here, you need to download the product. You can see this message here. Click on this Windows if you are on Windows, and these two if you are on Mac or Linux. So I click on Windows. It will automatically bring you to this page, and you can click on Windows 64-bit, and it is now downloading. As you can see, the download is complete. Now click on this file or go to downloads and double click to open the installer. Now as you can see, you'll see this message install Postman. You will see a screen like this after Postman is installed. Just click on skip for now in the bottom. You can create an account later. Postman is installed, and you might be seeing something else because I had already installed and uninstalled Postman, so I already have a list of collections here. Now let's see how you can create your first request so that you can test APIs. Now click on this new next to my workspace and click on this HTTP, and now you can directly make a API request here. So for test, we will be using this dummy.restapi.example.com, and if I click on this, I can see the response in JSON format. Now a request is basically just a URL, and we have options to use a bunch of different methods here. And if I click send, so as you can see, I'm getting this error, too many requests. So they probably have some rate limit, and I've already done this quite a few times, so they are probably blocking me. Let's try this again. Again, they're giving too many requests error. So anyway, you can just save this request to a collection, and since this is just installed in your one, you will not have any collection here. So click new collection and write my first collection and rename this to test API and save. First create this collection, and now in my first collection we will save this API as test API. So as you can see here, this collection is created. Now click on my test API and you will open this, and now you can just send, and here you can see now I'm getting response. So this is the API and it is using get method, and I'm getting this response. Status is success, and data is the data that is being provided by the server. So yeah, this whole thing is the response that I'm getting as the response of this API. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.